Sophie, tell me a story.
What time with the ladybird and the butterfly
And what else?
and the butterfly.
Oh, once upon a time, the ladybugs and the butterfly?
Watch and Diego.
Oh,
A swiper.
yeah.
A swiper my boots.
Yeah.
My
Boot?
pipe.
Oh.
It's my pipe. On a pal.
Oh.
It's on a pal. It's an airplane.
It's an airplane.
We are kids.
Yeah.
No. With Woba.
Hmm?
The Woba.
What happened right now with you and Irene? You guys were getting along just fine, and then you guys started not getting along so well.
Well,
Do you love her?
I love her.
Because she's your cousin?
She's a cousin.
Or because she's your friend?
Ew. What are these? Please. Oh, what are these?
Hmm?
What are these?
Where? Let me see.
What are these?
Oh, that's tagging. Graffiti. It's graffiti.
What are these?
That says something. I don't know what it says.
Who's that? The good ladybugs. Look it. Cheese.